Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Bright Edge Media YouTube channel. I'm Jane, and today we want to look at another interesting topic. If this platform has been of great help, do like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Let's now join in class with our very own instructor for today's training.
Hello and welcome back to Bright Edge Media YouTube channel. It's a pleasure to be here with you again, and quite a while, I must say. And yes, today we want to look at something very vital, very interesting, and I can't wait to share that with you. So I do enjoy beckoning you to do stay with me from the beginning to the end of this training. All right. So without wasting further time, let's get into it. I'll see you in class. Don't go away. All right. You're welcome back to class. Today we want to look at how we can create an AI fitness coach. All right. And yeah, to do so, of course, you know that we definitely are going to be in need of some AI tools. All right. And the first one we're going to need is a chatbot that we are going to share our idea with. All right. So, for the sake of this class, we're going to be using ChatGPT. Okay. And not only that, we also are going to be in need of an image generator. Okay, for the sake of this training, also I will be using ChatGPT. I love ChatGPT so well because of the end result it gives. It's such a good one, and we have other image generators that we can use. If you want to use ChatGPT, you can use Leonardo AI and stable diffusion and ideogram and what have you. So the rest are like, okay. And then we're going to be in need of image animator, okay. That is, after generating our images, we need to give those images life using an image animator. So I'm going to be using Grok, okay, to do that. And then we're going to be needing um, a video editing app to combine all uh, the work done so far. Okay, I'm going to be using CapCut. Okay, so we may not be touching all, but I'm going to be try. I'm going to try as much as possible to touch those important ones. Okay, all right. So let's quickly go to ChatGPT. I have it here. Okay, so this is an already done work. Okay, but I'm going to take you through step by step on how I was able to come to that final result. Okay, so let's start now. Like I said earlier on, that we want to work on how to uh, create an AI fitness coach, okay, and then get something good out of it, you know, as a project. So, like you can see, to start with, you need to have an idea. Like I have mine here, okay, and it's so long that I can just read it all, okay. And this is my idea. I just uh, go to a new chat on my chat GPT and pasted the prompts there, okay, as you can see. Um, all right, so you can uh, screenshot it, you can copy it anyhow you want it, okay, while it's still here on the screen. So this is just uh, the first step I took, okay, sharing my idea with ChatGPT, asking it to create me an image, and I gave it uh, uh, an extensive description of what my image should look like. And at the end of the day, this is the image. You see how beautiful she so look, okay. Now, as you can see that the image or the character is in a gym, okay, and you can see how good she's looking. And then I further went to ChatGPT and said, I want to use my image. That's the image I just generated. I said, I want to use it as an image reference. And I said, I want to use it as an AI female fitness coach, okay, and then I added other things, okay, and among the things I added is that ChatGPT should give me a base prompt, okay, using this my image reference, okay, this image I've just generated, and I said that she should remain in the same location and appearance should look the same, okay, that there should be character consistency, nothing changes uh, concerning my character, okay, using her as my AI fitness coach. And I said in that gym, she should be performing different exercises, all right. I said that ChatGPT should generate for me 10 good full prompts where the fitness coach is doing the following: using a treadmill, lifting dumbbells, doing squats, using a rowing machine, doing push-ups, doing pull-ups, using a stationary bike, doing yoga poses, stretching, and then holding a kettlebell. So those are the 10 full prompts I said ChatGPT should give me using um, ChatGPT should give me, okay, being some of the various exercises, okay, that my uh, character performs in the gym, okay. So, and I said that each of these segments, okay, of my character performance in the gym, I said ChatGPT should prepare a prompt for each of that, okay. But I said first it must give me a base prompt, okay, uh, describing my fitness coach, okay. So it went ahead and gave me a very comprehensive text prompt, okay, to represent my base prompt, okay. So this is it, okay. And then I said that that character must remain consistent all through this project, all right. So and then it went ahead to give me, uh, what the character does with each of these gym equipment, okay. So we started with treadmill, and I also said that the gym kits that my character will be using, uh, or the colors, okay, of the kits, the gym kit will be changing, okay, as as at an interval, all right. So, and that is what ChatGPT did for me. A treadmill, okay, she is to wear black and charcoal. That's the color of her gym kit. And then for dumbbells, she must be wearing a deep burgundy, okay. And then for squat, she must be wearing olive green, okay. And then gives me a test, okay, to back that up. And what I have to do is that I must ensure that for every um, segment of my character using the gym equipment, okay, the text, the base prompt must be copied, okay, and then I will add each of these sub text prompts that it gave me for each of my character using each of the gym equipment, okay. So you can see, so it gave me 10 of them, okay. But that base prompt must always begin with each of these segments, all right. So before you copy each of these segment prompts, you must always begin with the base prompt. You can see that it's indicated, base prompt is indicated in all the segment, okay. So ChatGPT went ahead and gave me 10 of them, all right. So now with this, I have something that I can work with, okay. So and then I went ahead and generate my images. So let me show you what I generated. So what I did was copying the base prompt and then adding this other other subtext prompt that they gave me while the character is using each of the gym equipment, okay. So let me show you that. Right, so if you're still with me, so here is a new chat on ChatGPT where I had to generate my images. Okay, I started to generate my images. Okay, uh, copying the base prompt. The first thing ChatGPT gave me was the base prompt, so I had to copy it and generate my image. Okay, so this is the image generated using the base prompt, and then I went ahead and copy each of those sub text prompts it gave me while my character is using the gym equipment. Okay, so and remember that the base prompt must be at the commencement, must begin the project. Okay, for each image generation for those 10 segments of my character using each of the gym equipment. Okay, so you must copy first the base prompt and then you add whatever it gave you. Okay, so
Welcome back from the training. Hope you learned something in class today. If you're really finding the tutorials interesting, like, subscribe to our channel, and also turn on the notification bell for upcoming tutorials. Bye for now.